Creativity really is at the heart of everything we do. I observe trends to sort of keep me inspired, but I really encourage people to apply them in a way that's true to them and their style and how they live. When we designed our home, we really wanted it to be unique and a true reflection of us. I think when you break the mould, you get to create something that's more personal and with a more meaningful outcome. I always try to surround myself with things that I feel are true to my style.
In our business of designing, constructing, renovating homes and caravans, I look after all the construction side and Carlene handles the design. We've worked really hard to get where we are today, but there's certainly been times where we weren't sure that it was all going to work out.
We are always busy and there is no such thing as a typical week for us, but we wouldn't have it any other way. We're often away filming or working on a new design project or reno and just working hard to build the business. Our passion is for creating spaces that last and have soul, like our vintage vans, and by focusing on that, we found our niche.
We find the MUX to be really comfortable and it's got everything that we need. When we've got one of our big vans on the back, you can really feel the power of the engine, and that gives me confidence and peace of mind. For us, camping was a big part of our lives when Carlene and I were kids, and that was a tradition we wanted to carry on with our own family. We all love getting away, especially the kids, and just relaxing. You know, it's important to keep that work-life balance, I think.
The future for us is about growing the business, surrounding ourselves with the right people so that we can focus more on family time and what really matters to us. We have heaps of projects in the pipeline and lots of big ideas. And for Michael and I, that's really exciting. But at the end of the day, if we can inspire people to be creative and push the boundaries and take a chance, then that's a good day.